Good afternoon, Standard 3rd. Today we'll study about our general knowledge subject, that is lesson number 25. Let us know, page number 27. Okay, so uh, all students kindly open your GK textbook and a pencil in your hand. Uh, at the same time, you have to write the answer in your workbook. Okay, so lesson number 25, let us know. Answer the following question. We will quickly sort it out. What is the answer of this? Okay, next, what does tele mean? Tele, what does the word tele mean? Tele means far, F-A-R. You have to write the answer for the first one. F-A-R, F-A-R, far. Okay, student? Far. Next, second one, which planet is closest to the sun? Now tell me quickly, tell me the answer. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. The second answer is Mercury. M-E-R-C-U-R-Y. Mercury. Okay. M-E-R-C-U-R-Y. Mercury. Okay. Next, third one, what is the center of our solar system? Center, बीच में, what is the center of the solar system? Third one, sun. S U N, sun. Okay. Now fourth one. Now fourth one, what is frost? What do you mean by frost? Frost means frozen dew. Okay, frost means frozen dew. Then we have to write frozen dew. F-R-O-Z-E-N, frozen dew, D-E-W, frozen dew. Okay, next, fifth one, how do frogs breathe underwater? How do frogs breathe underwater? Through their skin. The fifth one answer is through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through their, T-H-I-E-R, their skin, S-K-I-N, skin, through their skin. Okay. Next, sayonara means goodbye in which language? Which language will say good sayonara? In English we'll be saying goodbye. So sayonara in which language? Japanese. So we have to write Japanese. J-A-P-A-N-E-S-E, Japanese. J-A-P-A-N-E-S-E, Japanese. Okay. Next, name the precious metal used in photography. Name the precious metal. Which metal is used in photography? Silver. S-I-L-V-E-R, silver. Okay. Next, the lack of which vitamin causes scurvy? Which vitamin is good for scurvy? Vitamin C. Vitamin C matlab calcium. Calcium is very good for bones and teeth. Okay, students. So you have to write vitamin V-I-T-A-M-I-N, vitamin C. Okay. The same notes I'll be sending the PDF after this class. Okay. So keep reading. So once again I'll be reading the answers for all this. Answer the following question. What does tele means? Tele means far, F-A-R, far. Second one, which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury, M-E-R-C-U-R-Y, Mercury. What is the center of our solar system? The answer is the sun, T-H-E, the sun, S-U-N, sun. Next, what is frost? Frost means frozen dew, F-R-O-Z-E-N, frozen dew, D-E-W, dew. Fifth one, how do frogs breathe underwater? Through their skin. Through, Through, through their, Their, their skin, Skin, skin. Okay, next, sixth one, sayonara means goodbye in which language? Japanese, Japanese, Japanese. Seventh, name the precious metal used in photography. Silver, Silver. The lack of which vitamin causes scurvy? Vitamin C, Vitamin, vitamin C. So I hope everyone have written this in your GK textbook. So turn to the next page. Catch word. Catch word. You have to say catch. We have to say the name. Answer the following questions with the help of the words given below. Now looking at this image, we have to say the name of this person. What was the name of Jijabai's most famous son? Jijabai's का son का नाम क्या है? Shivaji. You have to write Shivaji. 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 Okay. What was the name of Jijabai's most famous son? Shivaji. So next, who is known as Tiger of Mysore? Who is known as a Tiger of Mysore? Tippu Sultan. T-I-P-U-N. Tippu. Sorry, N is not there. Tippu. T-I-P-U. Tippu Sultan. S-U-L-T-H-A-N. Tippu Sultan. Okay. Who is known as a Tiger of Mysore? Tippu Sultan. Next, coming to the third. A happy cat make a noise. What is it called? How does the cat make a noise? And what is that called? Purr. P-U-R-R. Purr. Okay. Next, if the plural of cat is cats, what is the plural of louse? Louse matlab lice. L-I-C-E. The plural of louse is lice. L-I-C-E. Lice. Okay. Okay. Which part of the part is the potato? It is a stem. S-T-E-M. Okay, student. Have you all written this in your textbook? Once again, I will be reading the answer for the questions. Please listen carefully. Lesson number 27, green fields. Answer the following question with the help of the picture clues. What is a mushroom? It is a fungus. A fungus. F-U-N-G-U-S. Name this flower that grows in water. Lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. Which is the only fruit to have its seeds on the outside? Strawberry. So the answer for the third one is, which is the only fruit to have its seeds on the outside? Strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Next, name a tall garden plant with large yellow flowers. Sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. The thorns of which flower can hurt your hand? Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Sixth one. What usually grows on an apple tree besides the leaves? Apples. A-P-P-L-E-S. Apples. Leaves and seeds of what kind of plants are used for preparing medicines? Herbs. H-E-R-B-S. Herbs. Eighth one. The leaves of which plants fold up when touched? Touch me not. T-O-U-C-H. Touch me. M-E. Me. Not. N-O-T. Not. Which part of the plant is the potato? Stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. Okay. Okay, student. I hope everyone have written in your textbook. Completed lesson number 27. So, moving to the next chapter. 28. Computer skills. This is all about computer. I hope you have seen a computer. So, based upon that, I am asking some few questions. You have to answer me. Okay. Answer the following questions with the help of the given words. Which machine is used to print the result of a computer paper? Which result? Can you all see? Printer. By this machine, we can take the printout from a computer. Whatever we required, we can take the printout. It might be black and white or it might be color. Okay, students? So, the answer is printer. P-R-I-N-T-E-R. Printer. P-R-I-N-T-E-R. Printer. Next, what is the brain of the computer? CPU. C.P.U. CPU. Central Processing Unit. Okay. Next, what is the TV-like part of a computer called? Can you all see this picture? What is that called? Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-E-R. Monitor. Okay. Next, fourth one. On what does a computer work? How does a computer work? With the help of what? Electricity. Yes. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-T-Y. Electricity. With the help of electricity, a computer can work. Okay. Which part of the computer is named after an animal? Can you all see this? The name of an animal and the name of this computer part is one and the same. So, which is that? Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Okay. Next, coming to the sixth question. A small round disk. Can you all see? Which stores information and is put in the CPU. What is that called? Compact disk. Compact. C-O-M-P-A-C-T. Compact disk. D-I-S-K. Compact disk. Okay. Next, coming to seventh one. What stores information inside the computer? So, whatever you are typing in the screen, how does it get saved? In which machine it gets saved? Information in the hard disk. Can you all see this? Hard disk. So, the answer is hard. H-A-R-D. Hard disk. D-I-S-K. Disk. Hard disk. Next, what is the part through which you send information to a computer called? How do you type a information? Whatever you wanted to be appeared in the screen, how do you type? With the help of a keyboard. So, the answer is keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Have you clear with my topic, student? So, once again, I'll repeat the answer for these questions. Listen carefully. Which machine is used to print the result of a computer on a paper? That is printer. P-R-I-N-T-E-R. Printer. Coming to the next, second one. What is the brain of the computer? C-P-U. Third, what is the TV-like part of a computer called? Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. On what does a computer work? Electricity. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y. Electricity. Next, which part of the computer is named after an animal? Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. A small round disk which stores information and is put in the CPU. What is that called? Compact disk. C-O-M-P-A-C-T. Compact disk. D-I-S-K. Disk. What stores information inside the computer? Hard disk. H-A-R-D. Hard disk. D-I-S-K. Hard disk. Next, eighth one. What is a part through which you can send information to a computer called? That is called keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. I hope all the students have written these notes in your textbook. Hereby I have completed the portion for the month of November. नवंबर मंथ जीके का पोर्शन मैंने क्लियर किया है. These things you have to write it down in the textbook. Those children who have not written this, I'll be sending the PDF. Please look at the PDF and write neatly in your GK textbook. After writing, please click a clear picture and send it to me in my WhatsApp. Okay, am I clear to you? Thank you.